So, I hear the Mets are doing pretty good this year.
Ha, are you serious? The Pirates are amazing this year.
Oh, by the way, camp is under attack.
Yeah, what do you want me to do? You're the Russian here, you know what to do.
Ugh, this is like Megan Fox party all over again.
What?
Nothing.
No, I'm pretty sure you said something about Megan Fox. Dude, nice job.
Shut up.
Well, someone woke up on the wrong side of the fox today.